And the biggest reason like, if you stripped it right back down to its core, why I think this is important, is how it can be leveraged for learning. So, doesn't matter who you are, what language you speak, what level of intellect you have, you could have a mental disability. What you now have for basically for free is you have a mentor tutor that can help you 24 hours a day in a language that you can understand and also that you relate to, um, going at a pace that you can maintain, and available 24/7. So having a universal teacher is one of the most incredible parts. And it's definitely the number one way I use it. Like I use it to understand things. And like it is phenomenal how you could get it to explain quantum physics to a 7-year-old who really likes Minecraft.
Mm.